Hey guys, it's Jason. I'm with Fat Fender Garage, and we are in our new shop. This is the first video in our new shop, and I'm super excited about it because we have been prepared to launch a lot of cool stuff. And we've kind of did a soft debut of our interior kits. We have interior kits for $67.72, $73.79, where you can just go up online, order a full interior kit. It can be custom tailored to whatever it is you're building. So we got tons of vinyl options if you're on a little bit of a budget and you want to kind of save a little bit of money and do it all out of vinyl. Or maybe you want to do full leather options. We got tons of leather options from many suppliers. We got Apex is one of the main suppliers that helps us with our interior kits. And you can just pick all that stuff out. There's thread colors we can choose. There's different designs and layout. It's kind of like a custom product for you, but produced in a semi-custom production environment that allows us to keep labor down, produce a good quality product, something you can't really buy anywhere else, something you'd have to have someone make for you custom, but deliver to you in a production environment to help save costs, but give you that look you're looking for in your classic pickup truck. So $67.72, $73.79. We're going to be coming out within about 30 days of $53.56 full interior kits where you can buy the seats, the seat brackets, everything brand new, fully customized interiors, no more springs, no more bouncy seats, where you're just going to be able to sit in it, feel really comfortable in that memory foam, and just sit in that and just cruise your truck. So we've got a full kit that's going in a truck of mine, and I did it in vinyl just to kind of show you kind of what that looks like. And one of the colors, it's kind of a green colored truck with green interior. Kind of dig it. It's a little bit retro, kind of a nod to all the vintage. And I'm going to get some of my guys here to help get it installed and show you really kind of on a time lapse how easy it is to just install this. It comes in a big box, and you're going to get your seat fully completed, a dash pad, a headliner, cool vents that go in your dash pad, because we've kind of reconfigured all that. You don't have that stuff bowing up and puckering on top from the factory ones. You're going to get kick panels that got speakers and speaker grills all built into it, so you can put 6.5-inch speakers with maybe a tweeter in the kick panels. A lot of just nice fit stuff ready for you to go. We'll eventually have a speaker box for you to put maybe some 8-inch or 10-inch speakers in the back if you so chose that kit as well. So, but we're going to get started. I want you to take a look at some of the products we're going to install, and this goes very quickly. A couple guys can get this installed in about 30 minutes. So let's go to work. Hey guys, so we are all finished up. Andre did an excellent job installing this. I think it probably took, between Andre and Wally, maybe about 45 minutes to get the interior installed. Now, they've obviously put it in a couple times. They understand how it goes together. So I would imagine in less than 2 hours yourself, you could probably do that at home, a full interior installed in your vehicle. So you just go get your carpeting done, get all that cleaned up, make sure it's ready to go. Any painting you need done, make sure that's ready to go. We send you all the other materials, and in a couple hours, you get a complete changeover and a really nice high quality interior installed, all the bits and pieces that you need. So go inside, check it out, take a look at it, go to the website, fatfender.com, look for interiors on the title header up there, and then go find your truck in there and get you your own interior. We'll be reaching out to you, we'll go through the conversation, make sure we understand everything you want, and we'll put a package together that makes sense for you. We'll show you all the colors and threads and everything, make sure it looks good. So if something looks off, we'll make sure we let you know. But go check it out and head to the website, follow us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, whatever, and happy hot rodding, and stay tuned for more videos.